The Jurong Bird Park. There's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the High Flyers Show, featuring an exhilarating lineup of world stars and great live performances at 11 a.m. Located at the Prince Amphitheater. Look, heliconias on both sides. Bright and colorful blooms commonly found in a tropical rainforest. The Jurong Bird Park is one of the largest heliconia collection center in the world, and the only one in Asia. To your right, dazzling bright red-orange birds, the scarlet ibises. Like the flamingos, the bright colors come from the carotene found in the diet they eat. The shorebirds are located next to the scarlet ibises.
Yeah. Daddy. Yeah, since from the start.
It says record.
We're going to the waterfall station.
It says record.
To your right, the Royal Ramble, home to crowned pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons, native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left, the world's largest collections of hornbills and toucans. It's made up of 25 flight aviaries, housing 18 species. To your right, windows on paradise. The bird of paradise is regarded as one of the most beautiful birds on earth. And the Jurong Bird Park is the first in the world to breed these stunning birds. The bird of paradise. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to make our first stop at the Long Rock.
Ladies and boys and girls have arrived at the Loy Lock station. You may lie here if you wish to do so. Thank you.
Have fun. Inspired by...
So you want to lie here?
No, on the other
You want to lie
station.
here?
On the next station.
The waterfall station?
Yeah.
Alright.
They're really good in English, right?
Yes, we normally speak really British English.
The accent is really good. And then, you know, the birds, the amphitheater, all I can hear like a DJ announcer in a radio, something like that, in 101.5 Hot FM. in the
That's why
Philippines.
when we went, it was also listening to some radio station. It was like in
Is it really the same?
yeah, like BBC.
Oh my god, really good. Yeah.
It said they have a delay, or you want to wait for people to come with them.
I think we'll go now. He's just asking everybody when to stop or where to go.
Yeah. Or maybe he said he wanted to wait for people to come, but he said something about the delay. That's what I understood.
Oh, there's another
Train already coming, so it does not make some sense to wait on.
Yeah, let's go in.
It's useful, no.
And heading off to the next station, 116 please remain seated. Thank
You
you.
can see that there
Yeah?
for rent. Yeah, I saw that in the first where we take the tickets. Later I will show you.
You can rent this here. They took it taking this.
Yeah, and then you know what he will do? He's the one who will push it.
He will push
He will carry
Yeah.
this. Not you or me. He will.
Because he is net boy.
Yeah.
Net
Everything comes longer.
Stunt flyers and powerful hunters, like the eagles and vultures. Catch more of these birds at the Kings of the Skies at the Hawk Walk.